Hey, welcome. How are you? We waited all night for you to get here.
Oh.
Hey, 8 Days of Hope family, this is Trace Gillis. We are here in the Niagara District. 8 Days of Hope Buffalo 2025 is underway.
My name is George. I'm from Arizona. The team that's here right now are from Minnesota and Arkansas. We're all working together. We've never met before. To me, I'm just working, but I am doing something that's different. It's for God. It's for the Lord. It's for Jesus, and it's amazing. I'm just so blessed by being here, man. I can't even explain.
Hi, I am Jessica from Ontario, California. We are serving homeowner Carmela. Her husband has been in the hospital for quite a few months. It's a complete demo job. She had a huge garage back here with cinder blocks.
We have people that go out and do assessing. We have people that clean up the yards. I heard that there's 8 people who gave their lives to the Lord today.
And then this is day 1. Wonder what day number 2 is going to look like.
On Saturday, got to lead a 16-year-old girl, Ari, to the Lord, and she's been serving with us ever since.
We're just so grateful to 8 Days of Hope for the blessing of coming to my mom's home. It is a huge blessing, and we thank you.
They come to be like family and friends, and they show up and they say, let's do this. What are we doing? We got this, and we got you, and it's beautiful. I'm so grateful, and I feel so very blessed.
We are here to help folks understand the weight of the world is not on your shoulders.
I really, really appreciate it. I know my daughter appreciates that help.
Awesome.
Because it can be a hard road sometimes.
This is quite a task, quite a challenge, but we know our great God is up to helping us fulfill His plan for this.
I thank God for these guys.
Today we're at Freedom Park, digging out holes for these trees, gonna put some mulch in there, make it look nice and pretty. Mowing the lawns out here, picking up trash. We're just, cleaning up this park, making it looking nice again. All for the glory of God, man. Whew.
It's brought a sense of vibrancy. We can see the impact that it has had on the neighborhoods to the point where other folks want to join in. I can't say how appreciative I am on behalf of 33,000 residents of the West Side and the City of Buffalo for the great work that 8 Days of Hope has done.
What an amazing time we had here in the Niagara District in the City of Buffalo. God was moving in some miraculous ways over these last 8 days. We had 1,810 volunteers come from 39 states. You served 340 families with over $1 million of work, all done for free. What's even more amazing is that dozens of people gave their life to Jesus for the first time because you shared the gospel with them. Thank you for coming to our City of Buffalo, and we look forward to seeing you on another trip with 8 Days of Hope.